brakeman engineer, go ahead and put them in release.
Brakes are in release.
Brakeman copies, brakes are in release, over. Here at the Heart of Dixie Railroad Museum, something that we do every morning before we leave the station with a consist is called the Class 1 brake test. But what I'm going to need you to do is take a break and check yourself and see if you have any friends or family that might be in the market for a vehicle. For every single person you send to me that comes and buys an automobile, I'm going to send you a $200 check. And like I said before, I don't know of anyone that doesn't like free money. Remember to send them my way, and for more content like this, follow Highball Auto Sales.